In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can duplicate items in the encoding queue in Adobe Media Encoder. So there are several options to do so. First, you're going to select the item you want to duplicate, and then you can right-click and choose Duplicate. You can go to the Edit menu and then choose Duplicate again. Or as you can see here, you can press Ctrl or Command D, and then it will duplicate that item for you. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.